have probably noticed that majority of YouTube channels use talking animation videos like this, and they are making up to $10,000 monthly from these videos because of the tons of views these videos gather. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to create a talking animation video like this. But before that, please like and subscribe to this channel to support. First, you will need a character for your video, so let's head on to Lexica and search for animation boy in hoodie. And then you're going to see different results. Scroll down carefully and select the anime that best suits your video. I'm going to scroll down and you're going to find different anime. As for me, I'm going to choose this particular one because it suits me, and I'm going to go ahead to download it and save it to my folder. And after that, I'm going to go ahead to search for anime background, and you're going to see different results. Check carefully and select the one that suits you. I'm going to select this one because I like it, and I'm going to download it to my file, and it's going to be saved to my file. Now we've successfully downloaded our character and our background. Next is to download anime talking mouth, and then we're going to Google to search for anime talking mouth and download it. Next step is to remove the original background of our character. Go ahead to your file and select the downloaded anime boy and upload it to the website, remove background, and the website is going to process it and remove the background for you, and now your character is ready to use. Download it to your file. Now we have our animation character and background, so we're going to head on to Canva to align them. And once you log into Canva, go ahead and search for YouTube thumbnail, and then go ahead to select the blank option that is provided for you. And then we are going to design the blank option provided for us to suit our talking animation video. Go ahead and upload all the images that you'll be needing to Canva. So let's drag and drop the background to the editing timeline and align it to the editing timeline. Go ahead and drag in our talking animation character and align it to suit the editing timeline. And then let's bring in the table and then align the table perfectly. After aligning the table, we can now go ahead to bring in our desktop computer. Also go ahead and align the monitor perfectly to suit the editing timeline so that it looks good. And then we can also drag in the mic. Ensure you also align the mic so that it suits the editing timeline, and also place it firmly on the table. All set. Download it and head on to the final step on CapCut to complete the editing stage. Go ahead and import the project we downloaded from Canva. And once you have imported them, go ahead and drag them to the editing timeline and ready for edit. Now drag them to the editing timeline. And after you have dragged them to the editing timeline, go ahead and select the frame. Since we are doing YouTube video, select 16:9, and then go ahead and drag the speaking mouth and overlay it on the main character. And also go ahead to drag the main character to align with the speaking mouth so that you have the same range. After dragging the main character to match with the speaking mouth, the next step is to edit the speaking mouth. Select it, go ahead and click on cutout, and then click on chroma key. After clicking on chroma key, go ahead and select the color picker, and then come to the background and select the green background, and then increase the intensity, and you see that the green background has been removed. And then go ahead and edit the mouth. After aligning the mouth, you can go ahead to do a little bit of fancy editing if you want, like adding some effects. So I'm going to try to add this effect, and then go ahead and drag it entirely through the timeline, and you can see that the effect is showing on the video, and the video looks really great. And after that, you can go ahead and click on export, and your video is ready. And if you like this video, go ahead and like it for YouTube to promote it to more audience. And if you would love to get more of this kind of videos from my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel to support me. But note that this video tutorial on how to create a talking animation video is completely useless if your video is not making money for you. So click on this video on the screen to learn how top YouTubers like Ali Abda are making millions with their content yearly.